Hey guys, welcome back to the Ham's Tech Fixer YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Google Play Store error that says, try again, and if it still doesn't work, see common ways to fix the problem. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this error. Before I show you the steps, I want to give you clear proof that this method actually works. As you can see, when I try to download an app, the Play Store gives this error and doesn't let me download anything. And here's the segment after fixing it. You can see the app is downloading without any error. So now, let me show you exactly how to fix it. And don't skip any part. Watch the full video to fix this error completely. First, I open the Play Store and try to download an app again. And as you can see, the same frustrating error appears. This is a common issue that many users face, and it can prevent you from installing any new apps or updating existing ones. The error can be caused by various factors like cache problems, network issues, or account-related glitches. So in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the exact methods to fix it, ensuring that you'll be able to download apps smoothly again. Let's start fixing it right now. Alright, let's dive into the solution. Even though the easy stuff didn't work for me, we have to start with the most basic troubleshooting step. First, simply restart your phone. A fresh reboot can fix temporary system glitches. Let's target the Play Store itself. Go to Settings, find Apps, then locate the Google Play Store app. Tap on Storage and Cache and select Clear Cache. Then hit Clear Storage and Clear Data. This resets the app completely and removes faulty temporary files. Next, we'll check Play Store settings. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon in the corner, and go to Settings. Under Network Preferences, make sure App Download Preference is set to Over Any Network. Then go to General and disable Auto Update Apps for now to rule out any background conflicts. Still in Settings? Go to Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and tap on Clear Device Search History and Clear Wishlist. Again, we're clearing any potential corrupted data linked to your account. Okay, let's try downloading the app again. Nope, the error is still there. This is where most videos stop, but we're going for the real fix.
Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.
The error often points to something generic, but the actual problem is your internal storage. First, open your Google Files app or File Manager. As you can see, I only have about 560 megabytes of free storage. You can also check this under Settings, Storage. The truth is, most apps, especially larger ones, need at least 1 gigabyte of free space to download, install, and run properly, even if the app size is smaller. We need to free up some serious space. Since low storage can cause this Play Store error, I start freeing up space. I go to the apps list and clear cache and data of apps I don't use all the time. For example, I clear the cache and data of Instagram. Next, head over to your gallery or Google Photos. Delete any useless screenshots, old videos, or duplicate photos you don't need anymore. This is usually the fastest way to free up large amounts of storage. Remember, you need over 1 gigabyte free. Look at that. After deleting unnecessary files, my free storage is now more than 1 gigabyte. If your phone storage is full, follow the same steps I did. Delete unwanted photos, videos, and clear app cache. Make sure your phone has at least 1 gigabyte or more free space, depending on the size of the app you are trying to download. Let's go back to the Play Store and try to download that app one last time. And it's working. The app is downloading without any error. The issue was the lack of sufficient storage space all along. So if you hit that generic try again error, remember, run through the basic cache and setting fixes. But if that fails, your storage is the key. Make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte free to allow for the download and installation process. Just follow all the steps exactly the way I did, and your Play Store will work again. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Ham's Tech Fixer for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.